Above Jurassic Falls, we have Kahili Falls. In a moment, you'll see Kahili's a cluster of 5 roughly equally sized waterfalls. Kahili's nicknamed the Five Sisters. 33, number 2, Kahili. Those waterfalls and the vast majority of this valley certainly fall within that 70% of the island that few get to see because this valley is private property. Hanapepe Valley is owned by the Robinsons. Now, the Robinson family arrived here on Kauai back in the early 1860s. The Robinsons were a wealthy family of Scottish descent, and they purchased some large parts of the island from the Hawaiian king back in those days. As a result, today the Robinson family is the largest private landowner on Kauai. They own about 51,000 acres, which is about 15% of the island. After our first set of turns back there, how's everybody doing so far? Good? Excellent. Let me know if that changes because your comfort is important to me. And for some people there can be a very fine line between fun turns and nausea. Yeah, I'm hoping not to cross that line. Won't know if I'm approaching the line though unless you keep me informed. We're going to climb up and out of Hanapepe Valley now, continue westbound. We'll cross the next canyon we see, Olokele Canyon, as we make our way out towards Waimea Canyon, off in the distance. As we continue west, we see the climate changing. Despite the rain showers, generally speaking, things get drier as we head west. And because of that, now we start to see exposed rock in the canyon walls. Now, all the lines you see in the rock walls represent different lava flows. To put it very simply, Kauai is an extinct volcano. And this volcano grew out of the ocean floor, layer upon layer of lava flows piling up. Now once a Hawaiian volcano stops erupting, that's when it stops growing, and it starts to shrink, starts to break down. And with age comes increasing beauty. The wear and tear of the elements, break it down, carve it up. This beautiful topography is the result. 8 islands make up the state of Hawaii. This is the oldest of the 8. And this helps explain why Kauai looks the way it does, why it's so gorgeous. Just more time for Mother Nature to work her magic on this island than on the other 7. Up ahead of us, this is Waimea Canyon. This is the area you'll hear some refer to as the Grand Canyon of the Pacific. This is state land. Two state parks found through here. Waimea Canyon State Park and Kauai State Park. A great place to come spend some time if you want to hike, camp, or hunt, or just enjoy scenic overlooks with incredible views. A beautiful contrast of colors is found here in the canyon. All those different shades of green from the vegetation set against the rusty reddish brown of the lava rock and volcanic soil. Now rainfall will carry some of this volcanic soil down to the Waimea River below us. As that river flows, it'll take on a reddish color. And that explains the area's name. Waimea means red water. We have another beautiful waterfall coming up just around the corner on your side, Jeff and Angela. We'll see it in a few moments. Waipo'o Falls. This will be an 800-footer.
Okay, this one's for Gabby.
See the hikers up above the waterfall there, Les? Yeah. About a 2-hour round-trip hike from the trailhead to the waterfall and back. Again, that's one of many amazing hikes that can be enjoyed in and around the canyon. It's the far side of the canyon out ahead of us that you find Highway 550. That's the access road that you drive if you want to come up here and explore the state parks. And it's this side in front of us where you find many of those very, very accessible scenic overlooks.
Where trouble melts like lemon drops high above the chimney top, that's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow. Bluebirds fly, and the dreams that you did to, oh why can't I?
A little bit of weather over here on the west side. We'll just kind of skirt around the edge of the weather. And And where we're headed next, in my opinion, is the most beautiful part of the entire island. An area known as Napali.
Me and you and
Napali is the reason you cannot drive the circumference of Kauai. It's way too rugged up there. As you come around the west coast, you can drive as far as Polihale Beach, which is down below some of the sea cliffs, out to our left-hand side. The road ends on the west side at Polihale. Drive the north shore, the road will take you as far as Kauai Beach.
what oh what
Pretty good chunk of the coast between those 2 points that you cannot drive. Definitely part of that 70%, right? That few people get to see. That's Napali, it's gorgeous. You'll see what I'm talking about here in a few moments.
of people passing by. I see friends shake.
Napali translates to